Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY facial oil that is great for all skin types, whether you have dry, oily, combination, or aging skin. This facial oil is easy to make, budget-friendly, and nourishing for your skin. All you need are 3 ingredients: jojoba oil, rosehip oil, and lavender essential oil. Jojoba oil is a carrier oil that mimics the natural sebum of your skin, so it won't clog your pores or make your skin too oily. Rosehip oil is rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids that help with skin regeneration, hydration, and elasticity. Lavender essential oil has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can soothe and heal your skin, as well as a relaxing aroma that can calm your mind. To make this facial oil, you will need a 4-ounce dropper bottle, a funnel, and a measuring cup. First, use the funnel to pour 1 ounce of jojoba oil and 1/2 ounce of rosehip oil into the dropper bottle. Then add 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Secure the dropper top and shake well to mix the oils. And that's it. You have your own DIY facial oil for all skin types. To use this facial oil, you can apply 2 to 3 drops to your face after cleansing, either on its own or underneath a moisturizer. You can also use it as a makeup remover, a night serum, or a facial massage oil. This facial oil will keep your skin moisturized, plump, and glowing. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more natural beauty tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!